Hey there, business owners. Are you struggling to keep up with all the tasks that come with running a business? If you often find yourself drowning in routine activities, then listen up. Today, I'm going to tell you how automation can transform your business. First things first, let's talk about why good time management is essential. Delivering your products and services on time and solving problems without disrupting daily operations is crucial. And that's where automation comes in. Automation software can save your employees from mundane tasks, allowing them to focus on strategic, impactful work. This boosts efficiency and productivity across your organization. Now let's dive into some business processes you can automate and the benefits of doing so. Accountancy. Imagine all the free time you'd have if you automate routine accountancy tasks like paying bills, processing payroll, and revenue reporting. With AP automation software, you can eliminate manual data entry, streamline financial operations, reduce human error, and prevent delays. This paves the way for better relationships with your partners, suppliers, and employees. Business development. Automation can create workflows that direct leads through your sales funnel. It also enhances team collaboration, ensuring everyone knows their roles and deadlines. Automation makes it easier for your team to discover potential clients, nurture leads, and simplify onboarding processes. Customer service. Automated customer service reduces labor costs and saves time. It also benefits your customers by providing 24/7 support. Automated ticketing systems help shorten resolution times, while AI chatbots respond immediately to customer queries and issues. You can even leverage automatic translation to help customers around the globe. Marketing. There's plenty of room for automation in marketing, especially with email campaigns. Gone are the days of manually crafting and sending emails. You can use predefined rules to personalize and trigger messages based on customers' actions. For instance, you can program automatic reminder emails when customers leave items in their cart. Automation can handle repetitive tasks like ad campaigns, PPC reporting, and social media posting. Not only does this boost efficiency, but it also creates a more personalized customer experience. Office management. An automated scheduling system is a win-win for both you and your clients. Customers can easily book appointments online, and their reservations automatically sync with your team's calendar. Scheduling software also takes care of follow-ups, cancellations, and rescheduling. Plus, you can automate visitor management, saving you the need for a receptionist. With a digital reception solution, guests can self-check in, and their details automatically sync to your CRM for follow-ups. So, use automation to set your business up for success. Automation gives you your time back. It works tirelessly around the clock and delivers 100% accuracy. The benefits of automation might seem small at first, but they compound significantly over time. Failing to adopt it means you're letting competitors outpace you. Contact us to learn more about automation software and how it can benefit your business. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep pushing forward.